Roman blind not going up or down? Well, this could be the problem. I'm just going to take the cover off here. It's velcroed on, so I'm just going to peel off the velcro and let that drop down. This unit here, the control unit, highly likely is stripped. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace the control unit. So the first thing I need to do is get the blind down. You can see that I've kept it on the cords. We don't have to take it off the cords for this job. All I'm going to do, lay it down on the bench and get ready to change the control unit. Just be aware with these control units, you've got some that have a hexagonal bar in the middle, some that have a square bar in the middle. So you need to make sure you get the right one before you start the job. Okay, so first thing we need to do is get the chain out. So what we're going to do is we're just going to release these 3 screws and take the cover off completely. Then we just pull the cover off. You can see that all the workings come with it. And what we want to do is we want to remove this piece, this little drive, keep the chain, discard the rest. Then we undo this screw here, which holds the control unit in, and remove the control unit completely. From there we need to disassemble the new control unit in order to put the chain in. So the reverse is going to happen. You're going to pull all the insides out of it, pull the gear out, put the chain on, push it back into there, and then put the rest of the stuff in after that. So push him in there, line everything up, pop it back together. Just before you put the screws in, give it a bit of a test to make sure it's working. That one seems to be working quite well. Put all the screws back in. The next thing we want to do is push the bar right through, so as we can then put the control unit straight onto the bar. So then we'll push that onto there. It's now in. Then we push the whole lot in from there. Last thing is put the screw in to hold the control unit in place. Oops. Once it's tight, put it back in place. With the fabric down, you can test it. And then last thing, Velcro the cover back on. You need to get the cover reasonably centred and level in order that the blind then works. And that's how you replace a control unit in a Roman blind.